I am the darkness in the night. Hi, Roscoe. Phoebe, what have we told you about no thinking? What say you, Roscoe? You ready for the movie? Phoebe! Well, I guess I'm just stretching it out, sir. I don't mind it at all. Ah, so cute. Seriously. Aw. Say, I've been hearing everywhere that folks think I'm scary. Whatever happened to that Colton guy? He was cool. He wasn't scary. He was a cool dude. I think he's my cousin. I don't even know. I don't get it. What's so scary about me? Why, Roscoe, if I didn't know better, I'd say you seem to care what folks think about you. But that can't be right, now can it? Did you just diss me? Anywho, what does it matter if the way you look and the way you talk can be, well, unnerving? We're still your friends. And you're just a squirrel. Oh, he's mad. The way I look, the way I talk, what's so darn unnerving about him? His eyes are red and yellow. I like that. Oh my gosh, Shadow. Frozen poison, now be honest. Do you think I'm scary? No. You're not scary, no sir. You're our new butler horse. Friend. Bubba. Yay. See there, Rose and Poison gets it. I'm not scary. I'm misunderstood. Just like I've been saying all along. You're so right, Rose and Poison. He's not scary at all. Name cleared. Going back to exercising. And Pecan's just walking around being adorable. Yes, she is. She's so gonna be ready for the next movie. Hey, Duck, what you got there, Duck? Don't you be looking at my book. It's a KK book. Admirer, shut up. Oh, it's my turn. Oh, this is Poison. Good afternoon. How can I help you out today? Island features? Is there anything specific you like to talk about? I want to see the island tune, considering the cardboard box has changed their island tune. And I'm composing a new tune for Phoenix State right now. That's great news. I know I can count on you, Maestro. Let's hear your lovely tune. You know, the cardboard boxes already did it for us, and this is what it sounds like. It sounds awful, but I found it funny. My idea of being a little music knowledge allowed me to preview the tune created. You know, it's already there. This tune sounds very familiar. I'm not fixing something that isn't broken. Let's keep it for now. Can I help you anything else? Oh, that's pretty much all we wanted to do. We were supposed to do that last video, but we ran out of time. No, I just rushed it and I never talked to Isabelle. Can I go now? No. You know you're dressed up for the movie. It's your time to shine. Ugh. So what's in here, huh? Oh, look at that. Carboxy's family. Oh no. I'm so frightened. You should be. Those guys will mess you up. You think these guys are scary? They're cardboard boxes. They're inanimate. They can't move. Unlike you. You move everywhere you want to, don't you? Oh, shut up, Carboxy. Anyways, yeah. Everything's now coming into place. Why I'm even in this outfit right now. Because you're playing as the Dark Walker? No, Dark Knight again, I think? Yuck. I'm not doing those. And also, why is there a tin bucket here? A freaking tin can? Omega will like this thing. It would be his relative. Rude. Oh, hey, Big Lug, you here? I've been here. He's been following me everywhere. I don't know why. He cares about you. Ugh. Right. Tin can. He lives next to a fire. Campfire now, so whatever. Roscoe's still exercising. Pecan's over there. The fires are blazing. And now she's looking at a grasshopper. How cute. And now we got nothing to do. Oh, there's some things to do. Maybe we can check on Annalise. She's not doing anything. I do believe that's doing something, Sonic. She's sleeping. Wake up. So pretty. You're too kind. My stars, was I asleep? I hope I wasn't drooling on myself. Ugh, that would have been nasty. I must look positively ridiculous. Even though, do we even use the bed? Well, I just noticed my wallpaper moves with the ocean bay. It looks nice. Oh, well, I guess thanks for waking me up. Do these animals even use beds? Like, what the heck? Do they all just stand up like giraffes and sleep? What the heck? What are you doing? We're not doing that, dude. What say you? Okay, bye. She's not doing anything. Cranston's in his house, though. So is Ione. Hi, Cranston. Yeah, hi, Cranston. We might use you for the movie. Possibly it's just DJ Cranston. Well, whatever. Present Poison. Can you see me? I thought maybe it was a non-existent creature for the last 2 months. I'm always watching you, but you ignore me, DJ Cranston. First it was. First it was staff member with Doc. Now it's DJ Cranston with Cranston because he's DJ Cranston. That's no way to treat a snack buddy. Well, excuse us then. I'm so sleepy. Anyway, what's going on with you? I mean, Annalise was just sleeping a few minutes ago, but I mean that doesn't mean she can't. You can't sleep. Hey, let's talk. Do you watch lots of TV? I sure do. There's so much stuff on. I can make out all day and never get bored. And I don't mean to just the shows. The commercials are just as good. In fact, this is one series on gum ads. That's a plot that got me hooked more than any real show I watch. You mean five gum? Never had it before, but it's probably good for your breath. But whatever. I mean, yeah. If you think about it, why do I have a TV up there? I don't know. Let me check. I always watch cooking shows on this TV. One time I saw something so yummy, I tried to lick the screen. I don't know how I tried to reach up there, but yeah, I don't have a ladder. Don't don't do that. It didn't taste good as it looked. You're probably sleepwalking. Well, right now it's got those Japanese shows on, so yeah, those are good too, I guess. In a way. Bye. You gotta go see Ione. Yep, we gotta go see Ione. Creamadeus, you here, Cream? Yeah, I'm here. Don't mind me. Oh, hello. I'm just fishing. Hey, fish, 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 fish. Hey, I fish, 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 fish. You come and play with me. Hey, fishy, fishy, fishy. Come out to the water so I can taste you. I'm going to lick you. I don't have a fish on this lure. Ha ha ha. I change. What's up, staff member? I'm not a staff member. How dare you? Oh, you're that movie star. Of course I am. Hey, what's the latest? Oh no, poor girl. I heard Caroline is sick. You know, it always makes me happy when you come to visit. Maybe you ought to go visit Caroline, staff member. I mean, we don't have any medicine, and there's nothing we can do for her. But then again, we can go see what her house looks like. Thanks for the invite of that, Doc. But first, Ione. Oh, she's making something. I forgot this is her house. Oh, it's so cute. I wish we could have this wallpaper. It's so good. She's got quite a setup. How's the voice finally get a chance to talk again? It's been 2 months, right? Staff member. So I've been reading when push comes to shovel. I love reading, but I miss being able to talk to you. Oh, she's so sweet. She's so cute. She's too adorable. Sorry, I'm in the middle of something right now. What you up to? Currently crafting a wooden mosaic wall, just like to see how I do at it. DIY is a great way to learn to dig. I'm totally obsessed with it. Wait, someone tells me I already know how to make a wooden mosaic wall. Who doesn't? I'm not surprised. I never failed to impress Frozen Poison. Not sure, Lina. It's gonna go into Shadow's ego. You must know how to do it yourself or out there. Who wants to learn to make a wooden mosaic wall? Why don't I give you a recipe to pass on someone who can use it? I mean, there's only 2 people that live on the island, and we're the only 2 people. Yeah, encourages crafting wooden mosaic wall. It's worth a while. Okay, bye. Goodbye. I'll forward your setup. See you in the movies. Well, would you look at that? It's 1:00. Joyous. To Caroline we go. To Caroline we go. Excuse us, partner's gonna go visit Caroline. She's sick and she got sniffles or something. She's gonna be sneezing all over the place. She better not sneeze on me or else. What are you gonna do? Use her cloak? Oh no, poor Caroline. Oh no, poor girl. She got the sweats. She looks like she got a fever. Like what the heck? Also, her house is like an office or an artist office. So yeah. Your voice taken? Was it me? I guess so. Are you really here? How am I seeing things again? It is you. Welcome. Sorry that you're sick, Caroline, but we don't have any medicine to give you. I mean, we can go to the store and buy you some, but I mean, it's nice to be a good neighbor and all, but I mean, you'll usually get better on your own, right? Let's just go get her some medicine and be nice. Oh, well, look at you trying to be a good neighbor. Isn't that what island life is all about? Being nice to your neighbors? Ugh, I don't even know why I'm doing this for her, but I'm doing it for her nonetheless. Aww, look at that. Shut up, be nice. Shut up. Oh, now you let us say our catchphrase? Oh, I got it. Hello, hello. Welcome to Next Grannies. Doggone it, you took your sweet time now, didn't you? Shut up! Someone is sick, and we gotta go get something. Okay, okay. Stop following me. No, we have to. Uh, we have to what? We have to be mooches. Be a mooch somewhere else. But but we're we're shopkeepers. You have to you have to buy stuff to give us stuff. Okay, medicine. I can say that in the book. How many you like? Just one. Excellent purchase. Anything else? No. What's the point of that stopwatch? I don't know. I tested it once, but I don't think I even liked it. What the heck is this? A wheat field. What are we gonna do with that? Nothing. Good. Why would we want a wheat field when we already have like a little vegetable garden outside? Unless you feel like being a farmer, have fun with that decorating on your island. What are you doing in the garden? More like the rose garden. Hey, Caroline, we got something for you. Oh, poor girl. Ew, she sneezed. Ew. Yeah, she sneezed. Excuse me. Pardon me, Caroline. Here's some. Here's a gift. Oh, she sneezed on me. Ew. Ew. Freaking fool. Sorry, I'm not feeling well. Ew, she sneezed on you. Ew. Ugh. Now I gotta get these washed and dry cleaned. I just put these on. Here, try medicine. Ugh, thanks. Oh, thanks so much. You sicken me. But here. Shut up. Well, I think this will do the trick.
I think I'm gonna be okay now. Thanks for your kindness. Here's a fishing vest.
I don't need a fishing vest.
I'm glad I can count on you.
What you gonna do with that fax machine? Nothing good.
I did a lot of research on my fax machine. I like to know how to use that sort of thing correctly.
I mean, it's not difficult. All you gotta do is put in a person's phone number, then fax the stuff.
I'll tell you a secret. I threw all my research out. I haven't had a single problem yet.
That makes absolutely no sense. Anyways, apparently her house is a cartoon artist house place thing, and so yeah, it's great. Good job. No one cares. Goodbye. Oh, sorry about that, but hey, that's no way to be like a Dark Knight Shadow. Pika knows. She might even be your sidekick in the movie. I don't have a sidekick.
What about the cat lady?
The cat lady and the Dark Knight are supposed to be cousins. Don't question it. Mm-hmm.
I just noticed that rainbow. Oh, how cute.
Hey, Roscoe. Wanna hang out again? So about that movie, huh? No way, sir. I'm out. Alright. Well, I guess we're gonna say hi to Tom Nook. Well, that's just great. Look at you guys. You guys are already matching. It's beautiful. I'm ready for the movie.
Now what's it gonna look like? Adjusted up there.
Well, I don't even want to be in this position. Fine, then we'll leave.
He's still in that position. What did I just say, man?
I don't want to be in this position. Ugh, fine. Oh, good, good. I want to be on my computer anyways. I had this position last time. It's boring. Wait, did you check the Nook Stop Shadow? Why would I? I think I already did that today, but I'll check anyways.
Now I'm adjusting with the hamburger.
Nope. More 50 miles. What is wrong with you and your other half? Don't question it. Neighbor patronage. Go away. Got those on the way. We also got the cardboard boxes. They're not happy that they're in there. Anyways, this Tails. What the heck? What are we supposed to do? Like, we're going to do different positions and so what? Yes, now say goodbye, doggos. Man, for sure. And no.
Maybe.
Now we're reading again.
Where's Graham? I got nothing else to do today.
That's why we're preparing to make the movie, Kareem. It's gonna be maybe tomorrow, I think. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. But then again, I do gonna finish up that other movie that I put on hold. Oh, that's just a quick little fix video, Sonic. Uh-huh. Well, anyways, this is rude. Hey, Sonia, you feel like getting into that other movie? You mean I gotta be that princess girl again? I mean, I don't mind. Well, she's not technically a princess. She's more like a servant girl. That's basically a Cinderella story, so whatever. Anyways, it's Sonia. Shadows going away. That's not going away, Shadow. You know what I mean? Man, this is Sonic. Everybody have a good day. Try to hurt yourselves or anybody. Was it Manic here just a second ago? Manic! He left. Just like me. Goodbye.